I love the print and the color of this t-shirt. However, the fit is pretty basic and not flattering at all. No problem, we're gonna transform it with a simple trick. Lay the shirt on a flat surface. Take your scissors and make a 10 to 15 cm long cut along one side of the shirt. Now make another cut starting at the bottom corner of your t-shirt. Be sure you're cutting both front and back piece of the fabric while moving across the bottom part of the shirt in a curved line like this. Put your new cropped shirt on and make a knot on the side. I also rolled the sleeves up a couple of times and this t-shirt is now so flattering. I love the fit, the style and everything about it. So unbelievable that we could make such a transformation with two simple cuts. I'm obsessed. Years back when I found out that laying or walking on clouds is not possible, I was pretty upset. Fast forward to now, I'm pretty thrilled that at least I found a way to have clouds walking with me everywhere I go. This is how you can make your own cloud shoes. Take some white sneakers, blue fabric paint, palette for the paint, self-adhesive paper, and a paintbrush. First we gotta make some cloud stencils. Sketch a cloud on a piece of self-adhesive paper and cut it out with scissors. Make a bunch of these, some smaller and some larger because clouds come in all shapes and sizes. Remove the shoelace from your sneakers to make the painting part easier. Stick the paper clouds all over the shoes. I'm keeping mine kind of diagonally aligned, but feel free to stick them on randomly. After all, clouds are randomly floating in the sky. Take a blue fabric paint and start coloring your sneakers. To get a sharp and neat cloud's edge, always move the brush away from the stencil. This way the paint won't be able to sneak under the sticker and cause a mess. When the shoes are completely colored in blue, we can remove the stencils and reveal all the beautiful white fluffy clouds. Hello gorgeous! Let's put the shoelace back on and we're ready to rock them. You know what they say, give a girl the right pair of shoes and she will conquer the world. I don't know what kind of shoes they had in mind, but I can definitely see myself conquering the world with these cloudy sneakers. They're just too cute. I like this graphic tee a lot, but I have a feeling that we can make it look a lot more special and trendy. Random cutouts around the neck have been very popular lately, so we're gonna do just that. Make a cut going from the shoulder to the neckline and around the ribbed collar. Do this on the left and also on the right. Now our shirt will be a lot more interesting and unique. If you also want it to be slightly cropped like me, cut the bottom part of the shirt away. Put it on and look at this masterpiece. I love the shoulder cutout so much. How cool that we can easily upgrade and revamp our old clothes into something so epic. And it took us less than 2 minutes, which is always a plus. This DIY project was so easy, special and fun. Tie-dye shorts are very difficult to find in stores, plus they can be pretty expensive. But that's not a problem for me and you guys, because we can simply DIY them. You need white shorts or jeans and tie-dye plus some extra tools. I'm cutting the white pants about half an inch lower than the edge of the yellow shorts. This is because we need some extra fabric to make them distressed. It's very handy to use a pair of shorts that fit you perfectly as a guide. Take your tweezers and start pulling out some of the threads all along the cut edge. You can also use a fork, nail file or sandpaper to make them all scruffy. When you're happy with how they look, take some masking tape and stick a piece across the shorts in the front and at the back. This will be our guide for the coloring. Start pouring your dye, mine is green, up to the masking tape. The color will bleed through. Tape works just as a guide. Turn the shorts around and again dye them up to the masking tape. Time to take our second color, for me that's red, and color the bottom part of the shorts as well. Don't go too far up, because the color will slowly bleed upwards anyway. In the middle, the two colors will create a beautiful blue and orange gradient. Just wait and see. Leave the shorts to set for about 1 hour and throw them in a wash. Here are my shorts all nice and dry. I'm gonna put on some studs to make them look even more awesome. With help of scissors or a knife, secure the studs on the back pockets. I'm using 6 golden studs designed into a little triangle on each of the pockets. We gotta add that little extra on the front as well. Here I went for smaller triangle design using 3 studs on each side. I am completely in love with these shorts. Now that's what we can call an extreme makeover, right? From plain white pants to totally amazing statement shorts. This looks so playful, edgy, a bit hipster, but most of all, so unique. Wanna have these amazing colorful sunglasses too? Well, guess what? You can DIY them in less than a minute. Yep, you heard me right. These glasses are so funky and bright, my favorite pair for sure. All you need to make them are some inexpensive sunglasses and nail polish. First you wanna pop the lenses out of the glasses frame. You're left with cute nerdy glasses, but that's not the look we're going for. Pour some water into a bowl. Take the first nail polish color, I went for dark blue, and pour some of it into the water. As you can see, the nail polish spreads and floats on the water surface. Add more colors, making random swirly lines. I also picked pink, white, orange, and yellow colors for my sunglasses. Take the frames and dip one side into the marbly water. Pull them out and we're ready to color the other side. Repeat the process and quickly dip the other side of the glasses into the water. The polish color will stick to the frame, making a beautiful marbly design on your sunnies. Lastly, we need to color the front of the glasses, so dip them in the water with the front frame facing down. Pull them out and wait for the polish to dry completely. My sunnies are all dry, so let's take a hairspray and spray them lightly all over. This will protect the color and make sure that our new sunglasses will last us many years. All we gotta do now is take the lenses and pop them back on the frame. There we have them, the most gorgeous sunglasses I've ever seen. These were seriously so much fun to make and turned out epic. I love how you can buy a cheap pair of sunglasses and make them look so beautiful only using nail polish. With all the bright and happy colors, these sunnies are perfect for the warm summer days, although not gonna lie, I'll probably wear them loads all year around. They're just too pretty not to. If you have a problem keeping your room tidy, this life hack will help you out for sure. We'll make an awesome sunglasses display in just a few seconds. Take a clothes hanger. I decided to go for the pink one because what else, right? Here you can stack all your favorite sunglasses. Take the glasses and hang them on. To make your hanger even cuter, you can decorate it with ribbon, pom-poms or stickers. I decided to add this fluffy pom-pom. Now that's what we're talking about. Hang it on the wall and voila, your favorite sunglasses are always on hand and neatly organized. This honestly looks so pretty. A storage idea and a gorgeous room decor piece in one. I'm super happy with how this glasses organizer turned out, and most importantly, I'm glad that from now on, I'll always know where my sunnies are. You guys know my obsession with Galaxy. I've already done Galaxy shoes, bag, nails, and now I wanna make a Galaxy t-shirt as well. Yep, the struggle is real. But sorry not sorry, because who doesn't like Galaxy DIYs? I love them. We'll need a black t-shirt, masking tape, palette for the paint, fabric paint in white, pink and blue, and sponge applicators. Lay your shirt on a flat surface. Place a piece of cardboard or plastic inside the shirt to prevent the colors transferring to the back. I wanna make a cool triangle Galaxy design. So here I'm sticking 3 pieces of masking tape to form a big triangle in the center of my tee. Time to grab the fabric paints and create our mysterious galaxy. Dip the sponge applicator in blue and start applying it in circles or half circles inside your triangle. Leave the center of these circles black because this is where we're gonna apply lighter colors. I created an outline of 3 galaxies. Go in with white paint and apply it in the center of each galaxy. Now mix up a bit of blue and white paint to create a light blue shade. Apply it between the white and dark blue to help blend the colors and make a nice gradient. I like to apply a touch of pink in the center of each galaxy because it just makes the design richer and more interesting. Okay, we're now ready to decorate this shirt with a lot of stars. With a flat brush dipped in white paint, start making plus signs to represent the bigger stars. I'm drawing them closer together in the center of the galaxies and then less and less moving out. Make a lot of little white dots to fill the space around the bigger stars. To make this, you can use a toothpick or a Q-tip. The stars really bring the design together and make it look epic. Remove the masking tape to reveal our perfect triangle galaxy design. So absolutely gorgeous, right? I want to make my t-shirt a bit cropped, so let's take the scissors and snip away about 5 centimeters of fabric at the bottom edge. There we go! Our triangle galaxy cropped tee is finished and looking stunning. If you want, you can make a galaxy design over your entire shirt. I, however, really like how this triangle shape turned out. I think it looks very wearable, neat, and a bit edgy. I paired it with some high-waisted denim shorts and, of course, my Galaxy shoes. Did you know that you can make a cute halter top from a bandana? Yes, and it's more simple than you think. Place your bandana on a flat surface and fold it in a triangle like this. Take any kind of string or even a shoelace and place it on the upper part of the triangle. Now fold the corner down, and this is where we're going to sew the front and back fabric pieces in place. So grab some thread and a needle and begin sewing along the straight line to create a nice pocket for the string. When you're done, make a knot and snip off the excess thread. Voila, you're ready to rock your cool bandana top. All you need to do is make 2 knots at the back. This bandana halter top looks so nice, a bit edgy but super gorgeous. It is also very comfortable and makes for a perfect summer piece. But if you layer a jacket or a cardigan on top, you can literally wear it all year around, which is always a bonus. Instead of storing clothes in piles, roll them and place close to each other in several rows. This way you'll have a much better overview and will definitely save lots of time and nerves when getting ready. When you really don't have time figuring out what you're gonna wear, the best thing is to opt for jeans. For a top, the easiest way is to go for a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. I love the color of this one, but it's kind of plain, so I think it's time for a little DIY sweatshirt makeover. Lay your shirt on a flat surface and stick on 3 pieces of masking tape. You wanna get a cone shape because, you guessed it, we're making a yummy ice cream. Cut several thin strips of masking tape and stick them on diagonally like this. Now dip a paintbrush in some yellow fabric paint and we can start coloring our ice cream cone. In order to get very crisp and neat line, I would recommend you to always paint away from the masking tape. Otherwise, paint can leak under the tape and the lines won't be as perfect. Once all the lines are colored, it's time to remove the thin tape strips. Look at these beautiful diagonal lines! To achieve that cone waffle look, we need to make another set of thin parallel stripes in opposite direction. Stick on the tape and do some more coloring. I find DIYing things like this so therapeutic and calming. Alright, let's remove all the masking tape pieces and see what we've got. Looking pretty good so far. We got that cool cone texture effect, which was exactly what we wanted. Time to remove the 3 border masking tape pieces as well. It honestly looks even way better than I expected. Whoa! Okay, I have a confession to make. I am obsessed with fluffy pom-poms. I'm wearing them on my backpacks, jeans, bags, and now I want them on my shirt as well. Apply some fabric glue above the cone shape and stick on your first pom-pom. Yep, each pom-pom will represent 1 scoop of ice cream, and I want 3 scoops. I got these pom-poms for less than $1 each, but you can even make your own from yarn. How out of this world cute is this pom-pom ice cream sweatshirt, right? I cannot explain how happy I am with it. A complete makeover from plain to absolutely fabulous. I love buying simple, affordable clothes and revamping them into unique and cute pieces that I love to wear for years to come. I'm obsessed with the cool fluffy texture from pom-poms, and all in all, I think I got myself a new favorite sweatshirt. The time has come to switch these comfy slippers with my sneakers. These are already very cute, but hold on, we can make them look even more adorable. Yes, I'm going pom-pom crazy with today's outfit. No judgment. Remove a metal clip and a few loops from a pom-pom keychain. Make sure to keep at least 1 loop on. Set it aside and take a sneaker that you wanna decorate. Undo the shoelaces halfway. Thread the end of 1 shoelace through the remaining metal loop on the pom-pom. Slide the fluffy guy up to the shoe. Actually, I have 3 small pom-poms, not just 1. Yep, obsession is real. Tie the shoelaces back up and here they are! Pom-pom shoes are super trendy right now and you can make them yourself in a minute. They're so adorable. I'll show you how to recycle an old pair of jeans using bleach. That's right, you can write, draw and make gorgeous colorful designs using bleach. You'll need an old dark pair of jeans, bleach, water, cornstarch, bright colored fabric markers and scissors. Unfold your jeans and cut them into shorts. You can make yours as long or as short as you like. I'm cutting mine quite low as I want to make cuffed shorts, so I need a couple of inches of extra fabric. When both sides are cut, roll the edges up 2 or 3 times. There we go, brand new shorts out of jeans in less than a minute. But we need to make them way cuter, so it's time to decorate with bleach. Let's prepare some bleach gel. Make a double boiler by pouring some water into the pan and place in a smaller heat-proof pot. Pour in half a cup of water and add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well to combine the ingredients. Keep stirring, and after a minute or 2 the mixture will start to thicken up. When you get the gel-like consistency, remove it from the heat and add about 2 tablespoons of bleach. Mix well to combine and pour your bleach gel into a squeeze tube or a plastic bag. Make a knot or secure it with an elastic like me and snip away the corner. The DIY bleach gel pen is ready, so let's decorate our shorts. I decided to draw pretty hearts all over mine. Drawing with bleach gel is super easy, just squeeze the plastic back slightly to release some gel. When you're happy with your design, wait for the bleach to set. This takes about an hour, but the longer you wait, the whiter your fabric will get. Take a piece of cardboard paper and scoop the bleach off to reveal the beautiful white hearts underneath. These shorts already look stunning, but we're gonna make them even more gorgeous by adding some color. Grab a bunch of fabric markers. I'm going for the yellow, pink plus orange one, and I decided to color the first heart in yellow. All we gotta do now is color the hearts just like you do in the coloring books. The best part is that fabric markers are only visible on light fabrics. Therefore, you don't have to be too neat and precise because the color won't show up if you color outside the heart lines. Turn your shorts around and color the hearts on the back as well. How flippin' cute are these colorful heart shorts, right? I love the bleach gel technique as it allows you to upcycle old shirts and pants into completely new and unique pieces. Have fun drawing or writing on your clothes and be creative with your designs. I think it's so difficult to find cute and unique clothes like this in stores. But that's not a problem for us because we can simply DIY them.